Dear brothers and sisters, on World Mission Sunday every year, the whole church prays, united, particularly for missionaries and the fruitfulness of their apostolic labors. When I served as a missionary priest and then bishop in Peru, I saw firsthand how the faith, the prayer, and the generosity shown on World Mission Sunday can transform entire communities. I urge every Catholic parish in the world to take part in World Mission Sunday. Your prayers, your support will help spread the gospel, provide for pastoral and catechetical programs, help to build new churches, and care for the health and educational needs of our brothers and sisters in mission territories. This October 19th, as we reflect together on our baptismal call to be missionaries of hope among the peoples, let us commit ourselves anew to the sweet and joyful task of bringing Christ Jesus, our hope, to the ends of the earth. Thank you for everything you will do to help me help missionaries throughout the world. God bless you all.